Okay, guys, so we are ready to start bleaching my hair. I did pull it up. I am going to start in the back. I know that's against all rules, and I do know that you should start with the roots, but most of my roots are, some are dark and some are light. I'm going to start with the back, and then I'm going to do the roots, and then I'm going to do the reds because I do have like a lot of blonde already. So the back is pretty much a lot of red, so I do want to start with it. I'm sorry about the lighting. I forgot to, I could have turned my ring light on and forgot it. But, okay, so I wanted to get as close to as what I've already done. And so I just picked up another highlighting kit. Not the one I used because, of course, they was sold out. So I just picked up the Revlon Honey. I picked up the caramel last time. So I'm hoping this is close. If not, we'll just get a box of dye and dye it all in shade. But I've already got it mixed up. Got my gloves. And I got it mixed. And we're just going to start with the back. Pretty much the root areas. And I'm just going to take the gloves and rub that in. And already moving on to the hands. Like, see, some of this, like, red is, like, really. And I really want to get this done, like, right here where we've got dots. I'm tired of having dots in my hair. It looks weird. Okay. Now we're going to start with the roots, because you can see the roots ain't that bad. It was more like some of the roots are, some of them ain't. I think the most important thing is to make sure that we're getting everything saturated so that everything bleaches and we don't have like no dark spots left. And let's get these roots really, really good. Okay, now since I've pretty much got every string of hair, I'm just going over and making sure that I did not miss nothing, that everything is even, and making sure everything has it on it and enough on it to do the job. I pretty much have everything coated. Okay, we'll see you in an hour. Okay, guys. So, I forgot I was going to show you guys before I rinsed it out. But I just rinsed it and washed it and all that good stuff. To me, it looks like it's still maybe, I see a dark spot here. I don't know how that happened. The cap came up a little bit. I'm holding it with my phone, with my hand to do this. But, so I got a little dark spot here and right over here. And I do see like maybe some white spots and like maybe a little orange going on. I'm not really for sure. I'm going to go ahead and dry it and style it and see. But the haircut so far, I'm loving it. It feels so much better. I don't feel like weighed down. I don't feel that dead. It's like a new day, a new me. And there's a lot changing in my life. And I am ready to embrace it. And let me go ahead and fix this. And I will show you the finished product. Okay, guys, so here is the finished look. I went ahead and threw some makeup and stuff on. Actually, it's the next day. I went ahead and washed it last night, and I'm still seeing, I'm probably going to have to bleach it one more time and probably go ahead and dye it the color I want, blonde. But right now, I'm liking it, and I like the haircut. I like it, but... And I wanted a little bit shorter. I kind of want to bring it, maybe the front up to like right in here, around the chin area. And bring it on back here in the back. Go ahead and just bring it up like to the hairline. But I do like how everything is turned out. So I am liking that. Only thing about, so I have noticed this today. I didn't notice it like when it was half blonde, but I did notice like when I was putting my makeup on, I'm going to have to be a little bit more careful because when you got dark hair and you're blending your makeup into like your hair area, your makeup doesn't really show up, but on blonde, it kind of does. But like right here, even though I put bleach right here and right here and right here, and I kept on like the whole time, like, while I was waiting my hour, I put bleach, like, put it on a few times here, and it kept drying, so I'm really going to have to work on getting this, dark, lightening, but that's, like, the darkest spots. It did take a lot longer for the, back, to get done, and I don't know, it's kind of like... It's still like different colors, and I want it to be like one straight color, and I want all the orange out. I don't know if I need to get a toner, but with this dark spot here and over here, I'm probably just going to end up bleaching it again, and I don't know why my tripod is like flipping down. Okay, so I do want to like probably do it one more time, and I'm probably... I am going to go and cut my hair a little shorter. I do like the way it turned out once I styled it and washed it and snipped around on it just a tad bit more. I ended up, I still need to have someone to go and maybe help me in the back. But I am going to, like, cutting it a little shorter anyway and kind of, like, give it that stack effect. And when I do that, I'm probably just going to, like, pull it and then cut, like, downward on it and have everything just come like this in the back and then have this come up this way. But I do like it. It feels so much better. Having that dead hair is, like, off is, like, really awesome. I was kind of afraid that it was going to be a big fail, but it ended up not a big fail, but I don't know. I like the haircut, but the color of my hair, I'm not really happy with. It's still got, like, a light orange tone to it, and then it's got, like, this dark spot here, and then right here on my, like, sideburn area. So I need that gone, and I really just need it, like, one solid color. But the haircut is, I mean, it's good. But it is just hair, and hair will grow back. And I've always been funny anyway about who cuts my hair. That's why I always learned to cut it myself. Is because I was always afraid to let everybody messing it up. And I used to be like, so, like, ooh, I did not want my hair messed up. But I've always learned, like, it's just hair anymore. It's like, it's just hair. If it messes up, it's going to grow back. So that is the good thing about hair. But I did like it, and I just wanted to show you guys the finished look. But I do believe I'm going to take it just a little bit shorter to go ahead and where I ain't been cutting along, like, over a year. Like, go ahead and get some more of it off, just so that when it starts growing back in, that I don't have all this dead that I have to recut right back off. So I just want to go ahead and get the rest of the dead off and let it grow back healthy. And I know it's summertime. I really don't want the hair on the back of my neck. I really just don't want hair just burning me up. So I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.